Detecting industrial gas leaks is a crucial task. Optical gas imaging cameras became the technology of choice for detecting volatile organic compounds in the oil and gas industry. By visualizing gas leaks, OGI cameras help improve safety, increase operational efficiency, and protect the environment. Opgal's EyeCGas was the first OGI camera in the world designed and certified for hazardous locations. Leveraging more than 35 years of thermal imaging experience, Opgal is now releasing EyeCGas 2.0, making the world's best OGI camera even better. Introducing wireless OGI. Equipped with high-speed Wi-Fi and Bluetooth communication, EyeCGas 2.0 allows live video streaming to any device. Real-time uploads to the cloud save time and reduce the cost of data analysis and report generation. EyeCGas 2.0 enables better LDAR operations. Wirelessly integrated with leading LDAR software, it allows for real-time synchronization and cross-referencing between videos and real-world components. Bluetooth integration with Method 21 analyzers allows for real-time on-screen display of ppm readings, together with glass plume visualization. Accuracy is crucial. EyeCGas 2.0 utilizes proprietary algorithms that make it the world's most sensitive OGI camera. With a new thermography mode, EyeCGas 2.0 allows accurate temperature measurement, along with multiple color palettes for enhanced viewing. Reliable VOC gas detection is crucial. Whatever the challenge, now you can work safer, smarter, and more connected. The world's best OGI solution. EyeCGas 2.0 from Opgal. The best just got better.